Karthik, come along. I can see it's a happy evening for you, chatting along of all the good things that happened to the Mumbai Indians today. What to you was the biggest positive?
Oh, the way I think we are playing the sport. I mean, the way we bowled, especially on this track, where we knew that it's going to be a high-scoring game, and we kind of took the percentage. And especially the way we batted. When Rohit Sharma and Surya Kumar Yadav bats like this, it's a very, very happy scene from outside.
Is it a relief that Rohit batted that way, or was there always confidence in the camp?
Always. I mean, you don't have to worry about Rohit Sharma's form. When he's gonna come good, he's gonna come good like this. And he always we are very aware of it that once he comes, the opposition will be out of the game. And exactly that happened. And very well complimented by Surya, the way they both batted, and that partnership took the game away.
I mean, the batting was dramatic, but it was set up by the bowlers. Mitch Santner, Jasprit Bumrah. You're starting to cover all the bases, you think?
Absolutely, people are stepping up. Very smart. We've been very sticking to basics, and percentage cricket is high, and I think that is working for us. We're not trying to really do magical stuff. It is all about simple cricket, and I think that's working with our bowling, with right plans and right mindset.
Your own bowling with the spinners. We were talking in the box about how maybe they could have bowled a little bit more. Was it just instinct in your choice of bowlers? Because eventually it worked.
I mean, see, it's on the high-end side, yes, maybe a over or two could have come. But, at that point of time, I knew that they are running behind the game, and I always wanted to keep it tight. Didn't want to take chance where it can go. Obviously, on the high-end side, the fast bowlers went for a couple of runs, but at the end of the day, 180 or 175 was below par, and I think that's what we wanted.
A performance like this, what are you doing at number 6 on the points table?
I mean, it's about game by game. The kind of losses we had earlier, we had to figure it out. How can we change? I don't think we were really far from a good game. We just had to figure it out that how can we close out those couple of balls which was causing our losses. And I think now everything is stitching well. I think we just need to continue and play some good cricket and not really think about what's in the future and just take everything when it comes.
Stay in the moment. The moment's looking pretty good for you. Well